Wait, just imagine for 1 second. If your mind reset right now, your focus multiplied by 10, and every distraction lost its power, what would your life look like? You think you use your phone, but the truth is, your phone uses you. Reels, notifications, games. They've trapped your brain in a dopamine loop. But here's the good part. You can break it in just 24 hours and unlock the beast inside you. Step 1, morning reset. Don't touch your phone till 9 a.m. That first scroll hijacks your amygdala and shuts your focus off. Step 2, visual detox. Turn your phone to grayscale. No colors, no temptation. Your brain calms down instantly. Step 3, natural dopamine. When you wake up, 1 liter of water, 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight, cold face wash. That's clean dopamine. Power you control. Step 4, brain activation. 5 to 10 minutes of high-intensity movement. It releases BDNF, the fertilizer of the brain. Your mind becomes faster, sharper, and enters beast mode. Step 5, dopamine fast. 3 hours, no phone, no music, no shortcuts, just silence, journaling, and box breathing. This is when your prefrontal cortex, your focus engine, grows like crazy. Final reset, night upgrade, light dinner at sunset, in bed before 9. 1 night of deep sleep activates your brain's cleaning system and wipes out mental clutter. 24 hours, morning shock, midday focus, night cleanup, that's it. And your brain returns to high-performance mode. Remember, you're not built to stay distracted. You're built to dominate. Stop scrolling and start becoming a beast.